Welcome to my channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Chris, and I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to watch my video. I do appreciate each and every one of y'all. Y'all, today I'm gonna unbox for y'all a really nice Florentine satchel from Dooney Bourke, and it's in this beautiful elephant color. So I haven't seen the bag yet, it's still in the box. We're gonna unbox it together. But before I do that, I do wanna say thank you to all my returning subscribers. And if you're new to my channel and you love luxury handbags and fashion as much as I do, please consider subscribing by hitting that subscribe button today and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, and I do post high quality images sometimes of the stuff I review on my Instagram page. And y'all, right now I'm doing a 30-day challenge where I'm posting at least one video to YouTube, so y'all check them out. If it's not a long form video, you can definitely find it in the shorts. So there's lots of shorts, at least one per day this month. And this month is already halfway over or more. So we're halfway through the challenge and I've been posting. So y'all please go in and like those videos as well and watch them. They're really cute and they're only a minute long, most of the shorts. But I go in and I design a look for the bag of the day. Like today, I'm carrying my On Dolly from Patricia Nash that I just reviewed. It's beautiful. Look how cute it is with this little butterfly, Vera Bradley butterfly from Wicked. I got this at Dillard's, y'all, for 12 bucks. Y'all, look how cute it is. This leather. I just love that little charm. But I got the chain off of Amazon, y'all. Just really cute. And I'm loving this little denim bag, y'all. Really cute. And this is Patricia Nash. The video I did before this one in long form if you want to watch it. So just go ahead, I'll link the video in the description here, but I'm loving this bag and I can wear it crossbody and it's just a really cute denim bag, which I was really surprised. So that's my bag of the week this week that I'm using, or really the bag of the day. I swap bags so many times during the week, y'all. All right, y'all, let's move on to the unboxing of the new satchel. Before I do that though, don't forget to hit that like button and hype my video as well before you leave. I do appreciate that and it does help my channel to grow. Y'all, here is the box. It came in just a brown paper box here from Dooney Bourke, and this is how they come. Like I said, this one has been sitting here for quite a while now, so let's go ahead and we're gonna unbox it together, y'all. I've got my little cat claw here, and let's cut into it. And we're gonna get this bag out because it's been sitting here for a month, and it's time for her to come out. All right, so I've got the box open here. All right, and like I said, this is in the elephant print color, or elephant colorway. So here it is. This is how it comes packaged from Dooney Bourke. And y'all, Dooney Bourke's leather is so nice, y'all. If you don't have Dooney Bourke, if you've never had one, so nice leather. So this is how it comes packaged. So let me get it out. And like I said, I want to say, looking from the size comparison here, just the two satchels together, that yeah, this is a little bit smaller, so it probably is the regular size, not the large, but that's okay. It's still a nice size bag for me. So I'm gonna unwrap it and then I'll come back and show you details of this bag. All right, y'all, so I got into the bag here. Let's take it out together. All right, so here she is. Oh, that leather feels so nice on there, y'all. Look at that leather. So soft and buttery. I love that. All right, and so there it is. She's all wrapped up. Let me get all the wrapping and stuffing out, and we're gonna see what this bag looks like, y'all. All right, y'all, so I got all of the protectors off of it, and here she is. Look at that beautiful elephant color. What do y'all think of this color, y'all? I'm liking it. I thought it was gonna be more of a grayish color, but it's more of like almost a brown color. I love it. Let's do a 360 of the bag, and then I'm gonna show you some close-up details on it. On the side, you've got your little tassels there. They were wrapped up as well. Y'all, as I was unwrapping this bag, just the smell of that leather is so nice. Like I said, Dooney Bourke, their leather is so good. And this Florentine leather, just so good. Look at that, y'all. What do you think? There is the logo on the front there with the duck, and y'all look at the bottom. It has little feet on the bottom too. So that is the 360 little spin of the bag. Let's do one more. Very nice little satchel from Dooney Bourke. Okay, y'all, let me get the stuffing out and I'm gonna show you what's on the inside here. So let's just open it up together and I'll show you the zipper on top. It's a nice zipper with a leather pull there and has a really nice zipper. And let's open up the inside of it and I'll show you what's on the inside. All right, so on the inside, you're gonna have your strap here. That's how it comes. And then you also have a dust bag on the inside here that they send you. So they always send you a dust bag, little Dooney Bourke dust bag. Let's see what it looks like here together. So that's nice that it comes in this. I wish it would have came kind of wrapped up in the dust bag, but so there it is, your Dooney Bourke dust bag. Y'all know how we feel about a dust bag here. All right, so there is some stuffing on the inside. Let's get that out here. All right, y'all, I got all the stuffing out of the bag. There is the interior color, if you can see that down in there. Let's see, I'm gonna show you the little logo on it. This is your Dooney Bourke logo there, if you can see that on camera. Very nice. It has a zipper pocket back in the back side here too. It has a really nice leather lined zipper pocket too on the inside there, if you can see that. So you do have a really nice pocket with leather on the interior. Then on the opposite side, you're gonna have another little leather lined slip pocket here. So you have some storage in this bag. So that is the interior, y'all. If you can see down in there, it's kind of a small opening because this is the smaller bag. And it also has this little attachment, little stringy thing here. And it has a little attachment piece there that you can attach stuff to so it doesn't fall out of your bag if you need to. But I really love the color of this bag, super nice. What do y'all think of it? So let me just show you the other one real quick and we're gonna compare a little bit. So as you can see, this one, how the top part of it's kind of bent down like this. I got the tip from James Jam to just fold a towel and put it between the handles and leave it for a while. So I did that and I put it out in my hot ass garage for a while. And it made the back bag a little more supple, and it was actually more of this shape. So I love that. So I'll have to do that with this bag here too, so that we can get it in its shape that it needs to be in. But these bags soften over time, so it will lose shape, and that's how they kind of go with the leather. But I love this color, and y'all, that smell of that leather is so nice. But she is really beautiful, and I can't wait to style her. I'm not gonna give y'all any mod shots or anything with this bag on because I really don't wear these crossbody, but it's got a nice strap. Let me just show you the strap. All right, so here is the strap. Y'all, let me show it up close. There's the gold hardware on it. It's a really nice Florentine leather on that as well. It doesn't have any kind of logoing or anything that I can see on the strap. It's just a buckle for adjustment, and you've got a keeper there, and then your dog leash style attachment pieces. So, and they will go on the ends of the bag here. Let me show you. D-rings right there, and then you've got your rivets and all. I love the little tassels, and these I just kind of twist them around and loosen them up so that they kind of fray out a little bit after I get the bag. I love the little pleating on the side here. And I just love the gold hardware on it too, y'all, and all of the little buckles and stuff that are on this bag. So, and it just feels really good. And you've got your feet on the bottom. So very nice Dooney Bourke regular size satchel in this elephant color, y'all. All right, so that is my review for today on this bag. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all, I hope I gave you enough information on this bag, and thank you so much for tuning in. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed to Mad Hatter Bags yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it, and I'll see everybody on my next video review. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.